Mowed the meadow too early and then spread manure on them. Boom, 3,900 francs fine. A farmer from Oberegeri in the canton of Zug has learned firsthand that Swiss nature conservation is not something to be taken lightly. The Siegerhüttli is a nature reserve located above Oberegeri. It is a fen or lowland moor, and in such an area, strict cantonal regulations apply to agriculture. For example, meadows in special protected zones may only be mowed starting from the 1st of October. And there is a ban on spreading manure in order not to disturb the ecological balance. However, the farmer violated both of these regulations, and now the public prosecutor has sentenced the man to a total fine of 3,500 francs by penalty order. In addition, he must pay the legal costs of 400 francs. For more stories like this, as always, follow Blick.ch and us.